The format for the import from web Google Maps formula is Google Maps URL, comma, selector 1, comma, selector 2, comma, selector 3, etc. The selectors are the data selectors that import from web uses to determine categories of data that you want to scrape from Google Maps. Import from web has an online glossary of its Google Maps selectors, and I'll post the link to that glossary in the description. All right, so let's go to Google Maps, and I've already selected, or I've already typed in a search category, French restaurants in the Pearl District in Portland, Oregon, and I have copied the URL. So I'm going to go to a Google Sheet where I have activated import from webs, and I've pasted the URL for French restaurants in the Pearl District in Portland, Oregon. I've pasted that Google Maps URL, and it's a very long URL, so I've just put it in a cell off to the side. And then in 3 other cells, I've typed in my selectors, which are address, underscore full, website, and rating. Address underscore full will include the name and the complete address for each restaurant. Now I'm going to go to a blank cell and I'll type $, import, and I can select import from web. And since I've got this real long URL, I'm just going to use cell references rather than try to type or copy and paste a lot of text into the formula. So I'm going to click where the URL is. So I've got that cell reference. And now I'll do a comma. And now I'll select the range for the selectors. And now I'll press enter. And now I've got a table with the name and address, the website, and the Google rating for the restaurants, for the French restaurants in the Pearl District in Portland, Oregon.